I'm going to tell you how to open professional dashboard on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to open professional dashboard on your Facebook profile, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your Facebook app. I'm going to open it in my browser here. Now once you are on Facebook, you just have to click on your profile option or go to your profile page. Once you are here, the very first to open or to use your professional dashboard, you just have to enable your professional mode. Now for that, you just have to click on these three dots, click on turn on professional mode, and then turn it on. If you are unable to see this option over here, like if you see that the turn on professional mode is not working or is not showing, so it might be that your profile is locked. You just have to unlock your profile first, and then you can retry to enabling your professional mode. Now once you have enabled your professional mode, you might see your dashboard over here. Now you can click on dashboard to go into it. I have already created my dashboard or my professional mode recently, so I have this setting also, but you just have to complete a few step modes by in case of enabling your professional mode, and then you might get your dashboard over here. You can easily use your dashboard including all tools. There's engagements and monetization and context and your inside and your home from here. So in this way you can easily enable and access your dashboard on your Facebook profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.